So we think that euro will go towards 1.06 to 1.07, maybe not too much more than that potentially, because euro also has its own problems. GBP can actually go towards 1.25 because of the fact that they are also aggressive on hiking rates. Whereas again, I'm not saying it will happen, but it can happen because, and again, depends on the next inflation data, because the next inflation data is very critical now. If what happened in July gets repeated, if you remember July, the same thing happened. Inflation fell for a month, markets went gung-ho about it, and there was a spike in euro to 1.03 back then also. GBP also went towards 1.1819. All those things happened. And suddenly next print again came back bad, and inflation print, and then everything got reversed. Now, whether that will happen or not is the next question that is very important. But medium-term view, at least there's a clear sense that inflation is peaking in the US. It's not going to spike anymore. And therefore, the Federal Reserve might go slow. So in the next few months, maybe a month or two, you can see a bit more dollar weakness, and hence potentially even a move towards 1.0708 on euro, 1.25 on GBP, and 130 on JPY, right?